Merrick Bank. Double Your Line MasterCard. Marketed as a credit building card that doubles your credit limit after 7 months. Initial credit limits range from $1,000 to $1,500. Here's what actually happens when you use it. Variable purchase. APR of 29.95%. One-time account setup fee up to $75. Annual fee ranges from $0 to $72 first year. After first year, monthly maintenance fees up to $6 per month. No rewards program. 0 cash back. 0 points. Critical detail: Merrick subtracts the setup fee from your credit limit before you use the card. Approved for $550 with $75 setup fee means you start with only $475 available credit. Annual fees also reduce your initial credit limit. $72 annual fee on a $300 limit leaves you with approximately $228 available credit. The Double Your Line feature. Make minimum payments on time for the first 7 months, and your credit limit automatically doubles. This works as advertised if you meet the requirements. However, if you miss even one payment during the 7-month period, you do not qualify for the increase. Card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Free monthly FICO score through GoScore service. Late payment fee up to $40. This card is invitation only. You must receive a mailed offer or invitation through Credit Karma to apply. Real user experience. Average credit score for approved applicants is 569, with 555 being most common. Average credit limit for approved users is $968, with $700 most common. Customer service problems documented. Multiple users report poor customer service, difficulty closing accounts, and collection practices that include false promises about credit report corrections. BBBB complaints include representatives refusing to close accounts when requested and automatic annual fees charged even after account closure requests. You won't know what fees you'll pay until after approval. If unhappy with fees, you can reject the offer without charges as long as you haven't used the account or paid a fee after receiving a billing statement. Cost comparison. Fees with this card could equal the deposit for a secured credit card, except secured card deposits are refundable. Better alternatives exist. Chase Freedom Rise offers 1.5% cashback and better approval odds if you have a Chase checking account with $250 minimum. Capital One Quicksilver Secured offers 1.5% cashback with security deposits as low as $200. Financial experts consistently rate this card 2 out of 5 stars and recommend secured cards or other starter cards instead. Bottom line, this card functions as advertised for the credit line increase. But high fees, poor customer service track record, and lack of rewards make it a subpar choice for building credit. Not recommended. Choose a secured card from Capital One or Discover instead. You'll get rewards, lower fees, and your deposit back eventually.